Ever thought about making some cash while kicking back and watching YouTube videos? Well, guess what? I've got the proof that I've raked over 400 bucks in just one day by doing exactly that. Now hold on to your popcorn, cause this is gonna be good. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Here's the scoop. A global survey from February 2023 revealed that people are spending about 17 hours each week glued to their screens watching online videos. That's roughly 84 minutes a day. But here's the twist. Most folks aren't earning a penny from all that screen time. But hey, don't sweat it because I've cracked the code on a legitimate way to earn some cash while indulging in your YouTube binge. And guess what? There's no startup cost and you can do it right from your smartphone. Intrigued? Let's dig into the details. First off, head on over to scoin.click. This is their home base. Click the sign up button and log in using your Google account. Quick tip, set up a new account instead of using your personal one. Voila! You'll land on the user dashboard, your cash generating command center. Now hit up Earn to explore the avenues of income. First up, watching YouTube videos can earn you between 30 to 90 coins depending on the video's duration. Hang tight, I'll explain how many coins translate to $1 in just a sec. Next, you can tackle tasks like posting on Facebook, snagging apps, the usual stuff. These tasks can score you anywhere from 10 to 10,000 coins. Plus, there's a slick referral system to amp up your earnings. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, let's kick off with method number 1. Clicking here pops open a new window and you're off to watch videos. You can go all in or let it play while you take care of other stuff. Now on to method number 2. You'll need your Google credentials to handle tasks like signing up for apps. Let's move on to the second website on our list, cashident.com. This site pays you for watching videos, grooving to music, Googling stuff, and tackling simple tasks. It's free, global, and utterly newbie-friendly. Think straightforward tasks. They're all about quick payouts, often within a day, and they offer options like PayPal, bank transfer, Payer, and crypto. To get the cash flow going, sign up for free. Click registration for free, toss in your email, and create a password. Once you're in, head over to the members area and start tackling offers for some daily moolah. You'll find various gigs, from YouTube and Netflix videos to Google searches. Every task you complete adds up coins. And guess what? There's a referral deal in the mix too. You pocket $2 for everybody you refer who finishes an offer. Spread the love and maybe even bank some passive income. Now let's talk about cashing out. To make a withdrawal, wrap up at least 2 offers and earn a minimum of 20 bucks. You can cash out through PayPal, bank transfer, Payer, or crypto. Quick heads up, a few offers might be exclusive for folks in the US, but there are still plenty of opportunities up for grabs. In a nutshell, making money while watching YouTube videos is totally doable with these hacks. With a bit of hustle and a sprinkle of consistency, you could be rolling in some decent cash, all while getting your fill of cat videos and epic falls. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!